Hi, this is Gab's Corner. I am Gabby, and I'm still here with my guest. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, again, Marlon Borjamoto and
Dr. Annette Teijeiro.
Yeah. Okay, so now we were during the break, we had a few more questions about Miss Annette running and just like a few little interests. So I got a list here of questions that I want to hit. So the first one is, why are you running for office? We kind of hit it before, but please go into detail why.
Wow, you know, there are many reasons why I'm running for office, and that's why I encourage people to go to AnnetteForCongress.com to find out a little bit more about me. But I have been here the longest out of all the candidates in this race. I do understand how our government works because of the way that I've advocated for people in the state legislature as
because you got previous experience when you were actually just a medical doctor talking to them about how this would affect us and healthcare wise. Great.
And then I have, like I said, more than a decade of interfacing things like the medical malpractice crisis when we needed a solution for the medical malpractice crisis back in 2001.
So you actually helped out with that and stuff?
Yes, because we were losing doctors all the time. We were losing doctors because they couldn't pay these huge fees. So there were women that were having to move out of state so that they could keep their obstetrician, and we needed to find some solutions. So we came up with a ballot initiative and educating the public about the ballot initiative. That was called the Keep Our Doctors in Nevada initiative. See, so I've always been working towards solutions for our community. So that's one thing that I carry into the position that none of my other
so very vital. I like this.
So I actually know how to interface with that for a much longer period of time, specifically with healthcare, sometimes with education, sometimes with redistricting. I've actually testified. I've testified in front of the legislature to try and promote the passage or the defeat of laws in the legislature.
That's crazy. So you actually have a lot of experience.
Yes, I do.
That's great.
Yes.
And then, of course, you said it, I'm a doctor, so I bring that perspective for the patients and for healthcare, which is really vital in several areas. Our Medicare, Obamacare that needs to be probably repealed and replaced because it's not working out like it was promised. I mean, we failed on several of the promises.
The website was like so hard to maneuver around. It was just so many complications.
If it was only the website, but it didn't really it kind of didn't solve the underlying problems that we needed solved. So we still have those problems, and now we have to contend with all this other stuff. And then our veterans. You know, I'm married to a veteran. I'm the only person married to a veteran in this race. Because I'm married to a veteran, it's personal. Our veterans served our country. They kept us safe even when I was a child. So we need to pay back the promise that we've given our veterans. It's very important to have somebody that understands veterans' issues. And as a medical student and as a physician, I have worked at veteran hospitals. So it makes a big difference for anybody who knows how to interface with that. And there's so many other things. I also am a firm believer in education. I am who I am.
Thank you.
I am who I am because of my education. And
right now we're 50th, right?
Yes, we are.
So I want to get that up.
No, I felt bad because I was watching this news about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, about the education is in the kids here in Las Vegas. The rating is really low.
And me going through that right now, I want it to be better.
Yes. And I hope it will improve about these issues.
And on a federal level, I don't want to micromanage public education. However, there are things that we can do. Since I believe in education, we have to empower our children to start respecting life. If we actually educate them about respecting life, about our Constitution, about the Bill of Rights, especially the Second Amendment, there's not this, they don't know about gun safety.
That's true. A lot of people don't know the Bill of Rights.
They don't.
Some people don't even know the Bill of Rights is the Constitution. Did you know that?
It's the first 10 amendments of the Constitution.
They only know is Amendment 1.
And the only thing that's just freedom of speech, when there's also freedom of press, freedom of assembly, and all that.
Yes, and freedom of religion.
I hope that they will